profile of Fred Trump. And then I read Woody's book. I read Woody Allen's biography, which I loved.
Do you see Young Fly?
I'm Iron Man. Yes. Iron Man, the man of iron.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Comedian.
I appreciate it, my boy.
In the United States of America.
Those days in New York, I was like 22 at the time. I was doing background work. And I auditioned for the Chappelle Show. And I was on the first recording of the Chappelle episode.
Just, you know, like $1 million.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian. She just smells like I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks for making me come. I mean, having me.
Yeah, not the first.
Get in your own way.
Louis, can you do a Mitzi impression?
You know, I'm a big guy. I like melon. I like, you know, orange melon. And I would take the...
Pete, I'll be honest with you, Doctor. Probably guys I shouldn't have. You know, you only had a minute.
I know, it's huge.
You should have made a joke. I said John Wayne.
1960 with
Serial killer. Jeff was so excited to talk to you. You know, you guys are old friends.
In the kitchen, and I...
Boy, killing it. Surface is when a certain...
It's my show.